Hey everyone! Ever wondered how we know so much about the universe? It all comes down to one thing: light. Yep, almost everything we understand about the cosmos comes from studying light. Light is more than what meets the eye. It's electromagnetic radiation, energy traveling in waves of electric and magnetic fields. These waves have different lengths or wavelengths. The shorter the wavelength, the higher the energy. Think violet and X-rays. Longer wavelengths, like red and radio waves, have lower energy. Now, visible light is just a tiny slice of the electromagnetic spectrum, the range of all possible wavelengths. From gamma rays to radio waves, this spectrum helps us see and understand the universe in different ways. But wait, there's more. The light an object emits can tell us its temperature. Hotter objects radiate bluer light while cooler ones emit redder light. This principle applies to everything from stars to iron bars and even to us humans. Light also interacts with atoms in interesting ways. Atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons can jump to higher energy levels by absorbing light, or fall to lower levels by emitting light. The energy of the emitted or absorbed light corresponds to the difference in energy levels. Enter spectroscopy, our cosmic detective tool. This technique measures the specific wavelengths of light emitted or absorbed by an object, revealing its unique fingerprint. With spectroscopy, we can identify an object's composition, temperature, and even its motion. Speaking of motion, the Doppler effect comes into play. If an object moves toward us, its light is blue shifted, shorter wavelength. If it's moving away, the light is red shifted, longer wavelength. This helps us understand how galaxies and stars move. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, light is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic insights. Catch you next time.